Hello guys, yesterday I ordered many, not many, 4 items from Safirstores for myself, and later I unbox when it arrives. A mascara, a lipstick, liquid one, and one cream for sun-blocking cream, and also a shampoo for my hair. Bye bye. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.
2,000 years later.
Hello guys, my box is arrived. I am going to get it. Bye bye for now.
2,000 years later.
Guys, my box is arrived from Safirstores. Okay, let's go and unbox it. And I wanna do makeup too. After that.
2,000 years later. Two 2,000 years later.
Sorry for the noise, guys. I'm outside, outdoors, so there is a lot of noise. Okay, quickly, I want to talk about the things that I bought from Safirstores. I purchased it online because it has discount. First one that I am so excited about is a shiny lipstick, liquid one. Brand is Calista. Another one is it's red, actually. It's very shiny and beautiful, and I love it, as you see. Okay, and it's very beautiful. Another thing is a mascara that I bought. Okay, it's black. I use it for my eyelashes, and it's the brand it's an Iranian brand. I used it before and I was satisfied with it, so I use it again. The third item is from brand Seagull, Iranian one again. It's a very good brand with high quality. I bought a sun-blocking cream. It has color as well, and also a shampoo. Cerita, brand Cerita. My friend who is a dermatologist suggested it to me, and for removing my makeup, I use and also okay I'm a little bit stressful. Okay, I use a spray for body spray for myself and a perfume. These are for good, as you can smell. I hope you can smell from the video as well. Okay, and another thing is I have a gel that I use. This is the gel I am talking about. I use it after I take a shower for my hair, and also this cream or this Cerita is for my eyebrows. When I go to beauty salon, the woman who pluck my eyebrows suggested that I use this for my eyebrows. It helps to grow, and it is very useful. I have been using it for some time. Okay, I am starting to do my makeup. I start with my sunblocking cream. First I put it on my face, as you see, and on my hands, because there is lots of sun outside, and whenever I go walking I have to use a lot of sunblocking cream because it prevents my skin and face to be burned, and also my hands. Then I use eyeshadows. Later you will see it in the video. I use my eyeshadow, then my as you see, then my mascara, and also I use my lipstick at the end. I mean use some pencils for my face as well. I massage my face with my fingers by tapping on my fingers. Children are running, so there are lots of noise here. I am voicing my video because at home I just recorded my video without voice. Now I am adding voice to my video, and there are lots of shouting. Sorry guys, hope you forgive me for the time being. Yes, then I use eyeshadow and also other cosmetics for my face. I don't use eyeliner this time, but usually I use eyeliner as well, and even you can use lip liner as well, but my lipstick is very shiny, so I don't need any lip liner. Okay guys, thank you. Let's see the video together, and I will put some written notes in my video as well, because it is getting crowded and crowded here, so I can't talk anymore, I guess. So bye for now, see you soon, bye bye.